dear friends, here in AB English Club you will get a lot of opportunities and we are very proud of with our students.
Hi guys, in AB English Club I like the way of teaching English by our lovely teachers. Here we read articles, listen interesting stories, learn grammar, practice speaking and writing.
Hello my dear friends. You know, I'm really tired after work, but learning English gives me big motivations and energy. I'm very happy to be in AB English Club.
Sunday is our talking club day. We practice a lot and play interesting games. Sometimes we meet native speakers from United States and other countries.